Welcome back to the Anything channel. My name is Ivan, and today we have who do we have in the podcast? Not podcast on the channel.
We did it from an iPhone 5. Yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me.
Who do we have in the podcast? So can you yourself introduce, meneer?
Hi, my name is Mitchell, friend of Ivan. I stay in the area by him, just around the corner. Today we'll be talking about what happened to my Golf 6R.
Yeah. So vertel maar voor ons nog wanneer kan. What happened to the car? When did you buy it? What did you do to the car?
Okay. I bought the car in 2023, February.
Mm.
What made me want to buy the car is it drove very nice.
Mm.
I had a BM by that time, but my BM was giving me problems. And then I decided to buy the Golf 6R.
Mm.
And then I took the car for a drive to Muscle buy. That happened in April. And then after April I came back. I noticed that my car was smoking.
What type of car? What color smoke was it? Blue,
was,
white? What color smoke was it?
It was a bluish grey smoke.
Oh.
Then I decided, okay, let me drive on. Maybe it's just something small. I went to JTech Mods. They will not speak about names. They will not bring in names.
The names out
They
there.
will not bring in the names.
Okay.
And then I bought the other pipe because that pipe was leaking.
What pipe is this? A turbo pipe or two?
Turbo pipe.
Turbo
Yeah.
pipe. Okay, so.
Leaking, yes. I replaced it. Then I got the car back and the car was still smoking.
Okay.
And then it took me a few months because the one day I was driving and a passenger in my car was like, what rook so? And then that made me realize, okay, no man, I need to actually...
So maar nou kyk wat is die iets is fout hier.
Something is wrong, yes.
Yeah.
Then I came to my friend Dylan.
Yeah.
He's a mechanic also. I told him what happened. He told me drive the car. I want to see the car smoke. I want to see when you give petrol what happens.
What happened? Okay.
Yeah. And then he told me what's he gonna do, and then I must decide on the options.
What were your options?
My options was just to do my head over,
Okay.
or just to see if it's my block, or just my turbo.
Okay.
And then at the end of it, I did everything.
Okay, so you did
I
everything.
did everything.
So we saw the piston, not the piston. Yes, we saw the piston earlier. I actually want to go fetch it to show you how it actually came out after the whole thing. So let me just quickly go get it. So this is how the piston came out, and this was caused by what exactly? Do you know what this was caused by, or
That was caused by
punishing the car?
not really. You know what? After,
So,
let me tell you guys something. This is the second time that we are doing this.
okay.
The first part that I explained now was when the engine was already rebuilt.
Yeah.
Engine was rebuilt. The only thing I didn't do was check this.
Okay.
And that's the cause for that looking like that. And now we have to rebuild the engine again.
Okay, so that is what we are doing now today. We are by Dylan. Yeah, so we are doing the video of basically repairing the whole head. And what's his company's name? I see.
DVS Performance.
DVS Performance. So we are going to show his initials.
Yeah.
Okay, I say initials, ja man. Maar okay, ons gaan nou die video verder vat met die head. Ja.
There's a power in what you do now. Every other day I've been watching you. Show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside.
So the turbine wheels are a little bit more bigger. There's funds in between and flow better.
So it's
Yeah.
essentially a bit of
It pulls up better.
Oh, okay.
Pulls up better. So it's just basically the bullets, which is the turbine wheels, and then your impeller shaft.
Okay.
As je dan met het zo'n ik wil wel niet. So right now we are fitting the bearing liners,
Yeah.
main bearing liners,
Yeah.
and we're gonna fit the crank with the thrust washers, main bearing caps with the bearing liners as well. And after that we're gonna fit our beautiful forged pistons, forged rods, sorry, with our new pistons, coated pistons, yeah.
Okay.
So this is the main bearing caps, and their job is basically to hold the crank into place.
Okay.
They hold the crank down, they sort the crank down with the cap, and on both sides we have bearing liners. You see on the one side it's closed on the bearing liner, where the crank is resting on right now. Those ones have holes in, and the holes supplies the oil to the crank, so the crank can remain lubricated.
Okay. The oil goes through those holes.
That's correct.
So what's next now, Khaled?
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna assemble the rods.
Okay.
Assemble the rods. We're gonna do pistons.
There we go.
We're gonna put our pistons
Okay.
and the rods into the block. First we're gonna check clearances and that type of thing.
Okay.
For now we just want to clock the motor to TDC.
PD?
TDC.
TDC.
Yeah.
Oh, top that's in. Okay. Top that's in.
Kasi masuk ke store funding, we're gonna afford pistons in this month, right? Yeah.
Okay, maar het is anyway. First. lads are now 12 in.
That's all.
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. We are leaving now. Oh yeah, the music, got the music. It's 12 in now. Ons op pad huis toe. Productive night we had.
Yeah.
But we will continue on the part 2 on the video. But yeah, it's